Hi guys, namaste everyone and hello. So let's see some historical guidances first from Ramayana, then Mahabharata and then Bhagavad Gita. And here's the card. I have already shuffled the deck, so I have picked up the card. Inner growth, deep into the forest. And indication is deep inner growth and continuing retreat from outer concerns. So guys, currently your situation is such which is quite favorable that if you wish to have more information about something, a deeper knowledge, or something more you wish to know, you can do that. If you are about to take a decision, like you are almost firm, but still, if you wish to reconsider, or somehow the same thing, if you wish to analyze, contemplate, please do that. And I guess you need to do that. Like you're almost about to take some action, but still you feel, is it even okay or no? Like, is that what will be the consequences and all everything? And if you wish to back out or so, or if you wish to take few steps back, you can do that. A time for happiness, ease, and good communication. Yes, so instead of taking some drastic action, some, thinking impulsively, desperately, or something, please try to communicate because time is quite favorable. This is what has been said over here. You can do that. A sacred space is created and must be guarded. So, guys, uh, if you are already into some spiritual activities, or again this is a very good time to start those. And keep one thing in mind, if you wish to do meditation, if you wish to do mantra chanting and all everything, uh, please be clear, like it should be protected. Okay, it shouldn't happen that some distractions are not letting you do this. A favorable time for all inner work. So basically all sort of inner work, meditation, working on your chakras, balancing your energies, emotions, your mental health balance, each and everything. So it's a very good time now. And climate is also such because of heavy rain that if you sit for meditation, you'll feel very calm. Like obviously now personal opinions do matter, but I feel so. Alliance with a strong person is indicated. So, some sort of, you know, an experienced personality or somewhat may come in your life. This is what I am seeing over here. It can be also group of people also that will help you in your healing, in your inner work also. This is what I am feeling over here. Children and childlike minds receive high wisdom. So, if you have kids, or if you are someone like, if you are someone, maybe a teenager also, so you are getting such a type of knowledge that maybe like not many kids, many children, or many of from your age will get such a knowledge. So it's a great thing if you are getting that knowledge to gain it. Success with plant growth and inner nourishment. So if possible, climate is also such, you can uh, you know plant some trees also as such. And yes, it will somehow help you in your inner nourishment also. And again, same sort of indication I'm sensing here, that you need to work on your inner self over here. So do acknowledge it. This is what I would say. Let's see message from Mahabharat, and the message is justice. So guys, in this card, reference is given of Vidura, and he was basically the prime minister of Kuru kingdom. Vidura was the half brother of Dhritarashtra and Pandu, and the uncle of Pandavas and Kauravas. Like he was very well known for his intellect, concern for people's welfare, and meting out justice. He always upheld the truth and honesty, and was considered as Dharmaraja, like Lord of Truth by Lord Krishna. So when actually the you know Draupadi's defamation was going on, everyone remained silent, but only Vidura was someone who spoke about it, who talked about it. He basically objected it. This is actually the reference given over here. And why his reference given is, and this card has came up is, like, actually this card represents justice of highest level, and like an impartial evaluation of the situation has to be done, or it will be done, and a fair outcome will be coming out, highlighting reasons, logic, and facts. Fairness and equality will be established. Satisfaction is gained. So, if you're really innocent, then a good news for you. A circumstance or a situation you are facing may be decided justly. It also indicates standing up for justice even when no one is on your side. This is a very big thing to do, actually. You may be called upon to judge a situation or give your opinion for deciding an outcome. So, these are also some possibilities. And if you are someone waiting for some justice, then yes, this justice will be served in your favor. This is what has been said over here. And also, with respect to Vidura, there is some more information, like he was the only neutral man in the Kaurava court, and as an upholder of fair judgment and dharma, he is considered the epitome and inner consciousness of the Mahabharata. He was also respected for fighting for noble causes and striving for noble manifestations. And I would say we must keep idol of such people, right? So I hope you understood this message. Like, there are also following possibilities that even some situation or a circumstance may come where you need to, give your judgment also. So be ready, and you need to be very neutral, and that is why example of Vidura is given over here. Please don't get biased, like my favorite person is like culprit, and how will I, give a neutral or a fair judgment. And so, no guys, you need to be neutral, because maybe some of you, for now, you may favor someone who is wrong, because they are someone of you, or they are your favorite people, or that favorite person, or whatsoever it is. But guys, just justice also mean karma. So please remember one thing, that it will come back to you also. So be very careful about it. Okay, so let's see a shlok from Bhagavad Gita. First, let me clear this. So guys, I have already shuffled the deck, and let's pick up the card. And the card is, message is over here, protection. And this slok, I hope it is clear for you. Okay, this slok is from chapter 9 verse 22. Slok in Sanskrit, translation in English, and below is the explanation. Let's see what this slok says. For those who worship me with devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have, both materially and spiritually. So, guys, as we all know that Bhagavad Gita is Lord dedicated to Lord Krishna. So, I would say this over here, that Lord Krishna is conveying us that for those who worship Lord Krishna with full devotion, with full trust and faith, meditating on his transcendental form, that is the spiritual form, that is the energetic, the divine energetic form, I carry what they lack. So he somehow gives what people lack in them, and preserve what they have. So whatever they have, he tries to preserve in them, and whatever, you know good things are not within them, here the energy, the spiritual, the divine energy of Lord Krishna carries those, and it is in a both way, materially and spiritually also. So this is a very big message over here and a very good slok. This is what I would say, that if you are a true devotee of Lord Krishna, then you have that experience. I would say, like, because I have seen devotees of Lord Krishna, they are totally devoted, and yes. So here's the shlok for you guys, where he is saying, where Lord Krishna is saying that somewhere I would say that for some of them this is a calling for you all. If you feel that calling, yes, you can pray to Lord Krishna. This is what I would say, and there is no, I would say that, I will say that don't force on yourself to pray to Lord Krishna. This is what I would say. If you feel that call, please go ahead. This is what I would say. And just pray, just become his devotee with full faith and trust, and this is the benefits you will get in return. And please don't do this just because you will receive some good stuffs and all. Please don't do for that. Do it from bottom of your heart. Okay, so with this I am ending this reading. If you liked it, if you understood the messages given today, do put a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and follow my social media links. Thank you.